Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here today. Got the box done. Got the support. I'm gonna mount these, rebuild that. I picked the best ones that would fit. All different kinds in here. I found some that would fit. Rebuild that cap. It's not a bad cap. It's made by Scorpion. It's pretty solid. Clean it up. Rebuild it with them. Put it back in. Got the hole dug for it. Show you I got the box done. It's all fiberglass, as you can see. It's all sealed up. Got a lot of strength to her now. So we'll get this moving. A little heavier now, but yeah, we'll get some feet on the bottom here. Maybe just some rubber feet on them. Just something to sit on. Won't slide around. I'll get all this done and I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, that's about it for now. Show you when it's in and flexing. Peace.